Morning, everybody. Just finished getting the truck all packed up. I'm going to be leaving here soon to meet my brother and my buddy Bill at the launch. We're going to be headed out and do some ice fishing today. Kind of still early ice conditions, later in December, but we've had a really weird winter with temperatures going up and down a lot, it seems. But I know we've got plenty of ice. Ice is going to be good. Hopefully the fish are hungry, and we're going to go find out. So we will see you when we get out on the ice. Hopefully we start smacking some fish, so stay tuned. Yeah, a chance of rain today, you see that?
Yeah, I know, and I didn't bring my raincoat. I like my waterproof shell.
Hello? No, it's UTV. There's very clearly fish here. I don't know if they're just waiting for it to get light out or what. Dude, they've got to just be waiting until it gets light out. There's no way you mark this many fish and they don't eat. What? You found some sort of bucket? I don't know, I'd say if we go until 8 o'clock without catching something, we could probably move. I've had a few come through high, and then by the time I get up to them, they're gone. It's like they come off the bottom and they get below my jig and they go back down instantly. It's not even like they're even looking at it. It's weird. There we go. Crappie? It's not a bad one either. That's a toad. Holy smokes. Yeah, way up high. All by itself. It's at least 12. Oh no, 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 no. 12 and a half? Hey, you keeping a fish today? Yeah, you want crappies at all? Oh, well this one's probably a little big for me, you wanna?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
I'm gonna let this one go back. But yeah, I don't really need to keep any fish, so the new whirly bug. Some of these marks on bottom definitely look like fish though, but they're not really acting like fish. Yeah, I still really can't figure out what I got going on here on the bottom. I can't tell if it's actual fish or not. Bite windows. I didn't know we were musky fishing. That might have been a bite. It's so soft. Oh yeah, here coming back now. This fish is gonna eat. If it doesn't, I'm quitting. There we go. Tiny little bluegill. Oh, come on. Come back for a second time, please. It's a good mark. Oh, yeah. Pulled it out of his mouth. Oh my god, dude. They're biting it so soft. There we go. Another nice crappie. Huh? You'd like him? Okay. Tiny. Oh man. Oh, dude. That's a mega. 12 and a half, dude. That's a chunky mama. Cheapers. Sorry, Bill. That's a little bit too big for me to want to keep. There we go, baby. Well, that's cool. Yep. Well, the 2-inch bluegill have moved through. That fish charged up and drilled it. Little gill scare. Whoa. All right. Yep. You're ready. Here you go. Yep. Gonna be a 2-incher. Not a bad perch. Got that roly bug right there. I know. I was gonna put it back anyways, but just wanted to show you my cool catch. It's a different little species. Now we've caught the smallest crappie, bluegill, and perch. We've completed the tiny slam. The tiny panfish slam. That fish destroyed it. He came flying up, dude. A little small. Keep. Instantly just charged up. Charged up, baby. Just charged up. Oh, pumpkin seed. Let's go. It's a little one, but freaking pretty, dude. Heck yeah. Ooh, this is another nicer fish. Maybe. Dogging me. Dogging me good. Oh, no, on the bottom of the ice. Oh, another tanker gill, dude. God. Tanker, dude. Dude, these fish are flying up to eat it. Pink whirly bug, 2 red spikes. Dude, I'm getting fish fly up like 4 feet off the bottom. Yeah, that prop has a ton of movement to it. I like it. Oh man. Yeah, beef stick does kind of sound good right now. I think so. Hey, Matsky. Another decent one. Pie. Mouthful of sausage. Pie bluegills. On them. Dude, that one ate it dropping down. It's covered in marks, dude. Another decent one. How many fish do you want, Bill? It's hard for me to just not whack and stack, though. I'm a cold-blooded killer, dude. flying up, just flying. 4 of them. Oh man. Dude, I'm marking like 9 fish right now probably. The whole bottom 4 feet of my screen is fish. Oh. What do we got here? Seems like when you move to a fresh hole, the fish are extremely charged up. Sometimes I swear they just bite the little tails of the waxweed. Tiny. You gotta get back down ASAP. There's a good mark. There we go. Ooh, that's a pie daddy.
Turn it just a little bit. There you go. That's a good picture.
Pink whirly bug. This one, it's your lucky day. Whoa. Oh, ooh, ooh, there he goes. That was a tanker. Let's go. Snowing. This is awesome. That was for sure a perch. That thing flew back down like a missile. Eat these minnows here, perch. It is kind of blizzard. Yeah, it's snowing pretty hard now. Matt. Gone. It's gone. What do you got there? Oh, it's a nice perch. Plane? Plane's landed. Matt's got a tanker perch. Show me what you got there, Matsky.
On the slip bobber. Nice fish.
Little turds, dude. That's a nice one. Yeah, the better ones are definitely farther up the bottom. Over there just whacking and stacking, dude. Oh no. Micro sauce. Oh, that was a better mark. No. Oh, smokes, dude. Oh, feels good. Oh. Dude, he just jumped out of the hole. Dude, it literally jumped out of the hole. Oh, dude, he just shat everywhere. That is nasty. Matthew. Oh, my hole needs a scooping now. Get out of here. Oh, yeah, dude, he shat everywhere on the ice there, dude. Just noodles everywhere. Oh yeah, that's money. Oh, just got drilled by something, dude. Hell yeah, as soon as I put it down. Tanker! Dude, that was cool. I watched that fish eat. I literally just dropped that. I'm giggling like a little kid. I just dropped that back down literally, and as soon as the minnow hit the bottom, this mark flew up and drilled it. It's 11 and a half. It's a dandy though. Golly. Just for you, Bill. Oh, on already. Didn't even know. Oh, that's a good mark. Oh. Come on. There we go. Ooh, another pie gill, dude. Shh. Golly. Tanker. Oh. Lucky day. Another nice one here. Not bad. Go. Yep, another tanker. Beautiful iridescence. Jeez. What do we got here? Solid 8-inch gill there. This is a decent mark coming here. Jeepers. That's 3 back-to-back tanks out of this hole now. Dude, yeah, they're big. I mean, there's a... Oh, I was going to measure that one. The last 2 I've caught have been 8 inches. That was at least probably 9. Oh, man. Is this another big one? Feels decent. No. A little smaller. That's a good fish, I think. That one flew up and smoked it. Not bad. This would be a good keeper. See ya, buddy. We are heading off the ice now. Fished about a little bit more than a half a day. Bill went home around noon with a decent pile of fish, and we stayed and fished a little bit longer, and probably could have caught, I don't know, another 10, 12 decent bluegills, but it was a good day overall. But you're hoping to get a few more perch and crappie, but big bluegills are still fun, and nothing beats being out here.
Caught a nice pike.
Oh, did catch a really nice pike too. That was pretty sweet. And we got to watch the eagle fly around, which was cool. So, but we'll be making some more videos here soon, and hopefully be getting on some more cool bites. So, until next time, thanks for watching.